Letam.
Okay. So Meenal, can you please tell something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Meenal Letam. I come from a very small city called Rajnandgaon. And I'm a teacher. I have been teaching from past 10 years, and it is my passion. I love teaching very much.
What is special about your city?
Well, there are a number of things that are special in my city, but the most important thing is that it's historical belief. There was a king named Digvijay Singh, and upon his name only, earlier my city was named. Earlier it was the name of my city was Digvijay Nagar. Then later on it changed into Rajnandgaon after the Britishers invasion.
Okay. So, okay, thanks for giving those information. Now let us talk something about musical instrument.
Okay.
So my first question is, which instrument do you like listening to most and why?
Well, there are a number of musical instruments I like to listen, like guitar, flute, and even piano as well. But the most favorite of mine is flute, because the music when the music that comes out from it is very, very soothing to my heart. Even if you close your eyes and just listen to it, the music will take you to another world. So I feel that's why it's the most important instrument for me.
Okay, have you ever learned to play a musical instrument? And if yes, then which one?
Well, I must say sadly, no, I didn't get any chance to learn to play any musical instrument, but if given a chance, I would really love to learn to play flute as well as guitar.
That's great. Do you think children should learn to play a musical instrument at school?
Yeah, I think so. They should definitely learn to play some of the musical instruments, as it will give they can pursue it as their career as well, and it can give a sense of satisfaction to their hearts.
That's wonderful. How easy would it be to learn to play an instrument without a teacher, according to you?
Well, in the present era, it wouldn't be much difficult for a person to learn to play a musical instrument, since technology has made it so easier. There are various videos available on the YouTubes and everything, so I don't think it will be much difficult.
Okay, fine. That's the end of the part 1. Now we will switch to part 2. In the part 2, I will give you 1 minute to plan your answer, followed by a 2 minute where you have to describe your answers. So you have to describe something healthy you enjoy doing. You should say what you do, where you do it, who you do it with, and explain why you think this is healthy. So 1 minute I am giving you. Plan your answer. Yes, please. So your time starts now.
Well, there are a number of things that I do, but the most significant thing that I believe is healthy is doing yoga. I love doing yoga. I prefer doing it every day, and I do it on a regular basis. I do it at my home, and sometimes I go to gym also. So there I perform various kinds of yoga postures, and mostly I do it alone at my home only in the morning time, because that's the best time I feel to do yoga. And but sometimes I like to do it with my friends as well, because that makes it little more I would say it makes us more captivating. And like I believe it is a world known fact, it is world believed fact that yoga is very good for health. And yoga not only makes our body healthy, but it gives a spiritual fulfillment also, and plus it helps us to stable our the mental fluctuations that keeps on going in our mind. So it gives us it stabilizes our mind also. And plus moreover, yoga is like a complete package. You can say it benefits our mind, it benefits our spirit, it benefits our body. So that's the one thing that I like doing very much, and I believe it's very good for our health.
20 seconds is still left.
Okay.
Fine.
I should have elaborated it, yeah.
Yeah. Coming to the next part. And so, what do most people do to keep fit in your country?
Well, there are a number of things that people in my country do to keep them fit, like they choose for doing aerobics, weightlifting, and of course yoga, running, jogging. Number of things are there, and it totally depends on a specific person what they choose to do. Like personally, I like doing yoga to keep myself fit, and a number of people are there who opt for aerobics, especially women. And if you'll go for men, they like weightlifting, bodybuilding, all these things they do to keep themselves fit.
How important is it for people to do some regular physical exercise?
Well, I must say it is very important, very mandatory. It's a mandatory thing to do it in your daily life, because in today's life there are a number of things which give a bad effect in our health. So I believe it is very much important.
Okay. Why do some people think that modern lifestyles are not healthy?
Well, it completely depends upon a specific person, they believe if so. But I would also say that it has a number of disadvantages that pose in our life. Like we people sit in front, do lot of computer work, table work, and we don't take a walk. We people are totally dependent on automobiles for traveling, and we just want to sit idle and watch TVs. So all these modern lifestyles have a very bad impact in our life, in our health.
Okay. Why do some people choose to lead unhealthy lives?
Well, I don't think so. People actually choose it. It's like it has just become a part of their lifestyle. Like in today's hustle bustle life, since they don't get time, so they eat some unhealthy fast foods, and they don't get due to modern conveniences, they take four-wheelers to go from just for a nearby distance also. So I think those are the things which make people opt for unhealthy life.
Okay. Should individuals or government be responsible? Should individual or governments be responsible for making people lifestyle healthy?
Well, to a certain extent, I believe individuals are much more responsible for their healthy life, and adding to it, government should also take some initiatives to keep its people healthy.
Okay. What could be done to encourage people to live in a healthy way?
The first and foremost thing that can be done is to educate them at the school level only. So like once they're in a habit of living a healthy life from the school level only, so that thing will continue in their future life also. So, and making exercise and playing games, all these things kind of mandatory. So these things will help to people lead a healthy life.
Okay. Thank you very much for this session.